ngayon po na nag-iimbestiga sila at sabi nga po ng committee chairman nila, si Congressman Joel Chua, na baka daw po isa na lang ho at pangalawang hearing. Will it help nga po kung hintayin muna ng Committee on Justice ng Kamara yung rekomendasyon at report ng Committee on Good Government bago sila mag-proceed dito po sa kanila pong first phase po ng establishing ng sufficiency in form and substance po ng impeachment complaint?
Hindi na kailangan Ted, na hintayin pa dahil itong impeachment ay may sariling timetable yan sa ating saligang batas at kailangan sundin nila yung timetable at kung ano mang kailangang karagdagan na investigasyon, maaari na rin gawin dito sa impeachment proceeding.
Ayun. So, Justice, basically ho ba, ano po ang kaibahan sa power ng isang Committee on Good Government or even Committee on Justice vis-a-vis the power of an impeachment court sa usapin po ng pag-iimbestiga, including po yung mga kinakailangang dokumento o testimonya po ng posibleng testigo?
Ibang-iba po ang impeachment court dahil may specific provision po sa saligang batas. In fact, you will notice that if ever reaches the Senate and the Senate will try the case, the articles of impeachment, the senators have to take another oath. It's not enough that they took their oath as senators already. The Constitution requires them, before they can proceed with the trial of the impeachment, to take another oath to mga senador na ito. So it is a special procedure delineated in the Constitution, and it is focused on the grounds of the impeachment in the articles of impeachment.
Opo. At ang poder po ng isang impeachment court ay ang poder ho nila para po sa power to subpoena either do sistecum po o itong pagpapaharap po sa mga testigo ay makapangyarihan, Justice.
Opo, meron po mga kapangyarihan to enforce their function properly. They can issue subpoena do sistecum, and para silang court. But they have a different role because their function is halong political at judicial yan eh.
Opo.
It's political in the best sense of politics.